Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is an Islamic coin, guys. Like, this is their exchange. If you have been on Twitter or if you have been active on my channel, you must have seen a video I did about this. So you'll be getting 30 Islamic coin, which will be worth $300, guys. Like, this coin will be going live next in 2 days time. So all you have, this is their exchange. They have their own app. Like, that app you can get it on Google Play Store, but this one now is just their exchange. Like, it's a website. So all you have to do is to click on the link. So guys, click on the link. I'll be dropping the link on this video description. So all you have to do is to click on the link and you'll be getting 30 Islam. Let me show you. So guys, if you look here, it says exchange pre-launch registration, earn up to 1000 Islamic coin, Sharia compliant digital money. Like, receive a reward of 20 Islam for verified registration, 10 Islam for each referred friend. So that all you'll be getting is 30, guys. Like, it's a launch in October 2023. Like, this thing will be going live in 2 days time, guys. Say the bonus program will be available only until exchange launch. Like, all you have to do is to register, then you get it. The next video I'm going to do is on how to verify your account. Do you understand? Because the need for the verification is because people have multiple accounts. Do you understand? So all you have to do is to register one account on your phone so that you not get your account banned. So the next video I'm going to do is on how to verify it. So you can only withdraw once you verify, and this coin will be listed on HAQQEX. Go and check it. Go and check coin launchpad. You'll be seeing Islamic coin there. So guys, just register and then claim and then invite your friends. Do you understand? So all you have for the registration, all you have to do is to input your username, input your email, input your password, then they will send you a verification email. Do you understand? So once they send you a verification email, then you log in you click on the email. There will be a link on the mail they will send you. Do you understand? On the verification email, then you click on it and verify your mail. That way you have gotten your 30 Islam. So the next video I'm going to do is on how to withdraw, on how to verify your account and withdraw your funds. So that party will be worth $300. So guys, don't sleep on this. Let me show you. So guys, once you are done with the registration, this is what the interface looks like. Do you understand? So once you are done with the registration, this is where to get your invite code. Then you invite your friends. You can actually see. So I'll be leaving this link on this video description. So if you are seeing this video on TikTok, you can actually see my YouTube channel, CryptoHub TV. You can actually see it on this video. So go to my YouTube channel, and then that's where you're actually going to see the link to register and get your 30 Islam. The 30 Islam is currently worth $300. Like, go to my TikTok profile, you will see a YouTube icon there. Click on that YouTube icon. When you click on that YouTube icon, it's going to redirect you to my YouTube channel. Do you understand? So guys, that is it. The next video I'm going to do is on how to verify your account, because if you do not verify your account, you are not going to withdraw. Do you understand? So do you see what this is? See, you have received 20 Islam for signing up or 30 Islam for referral. So it says these funds will show up in your Islamic bonus account below after the exchange launch and you complete the verification. Do you understand? Invite a friend and earn an extra Islam for each registered and verified friend. So your friend will get 30 Islam instead of 20 Islam before the exchange launch. You see that? So use my link, you'll be getting 30. So do you understand? Say before the exchange launch, the number of verified users will be 0. So guys, do well to register, and then the next video I'm going to do is on how to withdraw. So if this is your first time of seeing my video, scroll down to my channel. There are some other important videos that you're actually going to benefit from. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can also benefit from it. So stay tuned. The next video I'm going to do is on how to verify your account. So stay tuned. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.